Okay, here's the second example. This one is an exponential decay because it goes down from left to right as I read it. And if you see here, it's 3, and then in the parentheses is 1/2 to the x. 1/2 to the x there. And my questions are going to be the following. What is the domain? Well, the domain is negative infinity to positive infinity. What is the range? The range is 0 because it never crosses 0. You're going to kind of know where the line is that it doesn't cross because it'll look like it's horizontal. It'll look like it touches it, but you'll kind of know that it never crosses that line. So it's the range is 0 to infinity. This is exponential decay. What is the y-intercept of this graph? Well, it's where it crosses the y-axis, which is right here, which is the number 3. See if you can determine the relationship between my equation over here and the y-intercept. We'll see if that carries through as we go through this. Next week, you'll explore that a little bit more. And then the last question is, what is the horizontal asymptote? Well, if you successfully did the range, you've got the horizontal asymptote because the horizontal asymptote is also y equals 0. And it all is an equation, y equals 0. All right, the very last example. Now, this one I didn't show the equation because I wanted to see what you could tell me. The domain of this one is negative infinity to positive infinity. Going this way, it still goes to negative infinity. Going that way to positive infinity. If I zoom in, the range is from -2. It doesn't look like it ever crosses that -2 line right there. All the way to negative infinity. So remember, you write that from least to greatest. So the lowest point is negative infinity. The highest point is -2. So it's from negative infinity to -2. The y-intercept, where does it cross the y-axis? Right there at -4. And then the horizontal asymptote this time is at y equals -2. Don't forget the y equals. Now you're ready to go in and test some out. Feel free to use Desmos. That way you can zoom in and zoom out of the graph as you need to. You can kind of see, does it ever get close to that? What is that number? They're all going to be whole numbers. We're not going to try to trick you with any fraction asymptotes at this point. But just know an asymptote is a line that it will never touch or cross. Good luck.